Let me show you how to make the most delicious garlic buttered hot sauce chicken wings. They're better than any wing house. Get a bowl, add in your chicken wings. With cooking chicken wings, some people like breaded wings, some like naked wings. I like my wings naked. I like to put cornstarch on them to make them crispier. I personally don't, but you're more than welcome to. And now we season a little bit of garlic powder, smoked paprika for color, Zatarain's Creole seasoning, and some Aleppo pepper. Give those a really good mix and make sure they're evenly coated. Into the cooking creature and cook until nice and crispy. Are you team flats or drums? I'm flats all the way, and my wings have to be extra, extra, extra crispy. While the wings are cooking, we're gonna prepare our sauce. Sauce is really the most important part. And believe it or not, whenever you go to a restaurant and you order those delicious wings, 95% of the time, they are not seasoned. It's the sauce that holds all the flavor. Get a pan! Garlic. We know her, we love her. Mince up as many cloves as your soul tells you. Garlic limit does not exist. Shallot, minced. I'm gonna do half because I'm only making 10 wings. Do about medium-low heat. I'm doing half a stick of unsalted butter. Let your butter melt down. If you follow along better with Right Now recipes that you can actually see with all the measurements and everything, you can find this recipe on Pepper. If you don't know what Pepper is a new app where you can find recipes at your fingertips. We got a couple comments about Android users not being able to find it. Well, they're releasing a version this week. Add in your shallots. Let that cook for like 30 seconds. Add in your garlic. Cook until nice and fragrant. Should be about 30 seconds. You already know we're using Frank's Red Hot, the buffalo. Woo! Pour some in. Now just let this cook on low for about 5 minutes. Clean as you go. Less mess is less stress, and we do not want the stress. Wings are done. Now we pour on our sauce. Mix it really well. We want it extra wet. Plate. Look at that. Those are perfect. Serve with some blue cheese or ranch and enjoy. That's so good. I absolutely love chicken wings. Y'all gotta make this. I'm telling you.